Digital cameras, basic modes. Automatic mode, usually the green arrow on dial. Camera decides all settings. Program mode, usually the P on dial. One step away from automatic. Keeps the settings you've programmed. Manual mode, usually the M on dial. Opposite of auto mode, you are in 100% control. Portrait mode, usually the picture of a person's head. Subject very sharp, background out of focus. Adjusts color for skin tone. Landscape mode, usually the picture of mountains. Camera tries to put everything in focus. Sports mode, usually the picture of a person running, increases shutter speed to capture action. Night mode, usually the picture of a moon. Allows more light into camera to capture low light photos. Macro mode, usually a flower icon. Allows for close-up photos, be sure not to zoom in this mode. Camera will list closest possible range. Shutter priority AE mode is a shooting mode that is useful for when you want to freeze subjects in action, or conversely, photograph moving subjects with motion blur. Aperture priority AE, AV mode. Want to create photographs with a lovely background blur, bokeh effect, or perhaps ensure that everything in the image remains in focus? The aperture priority AE mode is a convenient mode to use for achieving those effects.